Hi everyone, Christine Stevenson here with Proverbs 1616 LLC. I help people avoid trouble with the IRS, and this is Tuesday's 2-minute tax tip. Before I get into that, I want to say I've neglected my little YouTube channel, and shame on me. No more. In 2026, I wrote down a goal to drop a 2-minute tax tip every Tuesday. So I'm asking you to hold me accountable to that promise that I made to myself. So Tuesday, 2-minute tax tips. And today is Tuesday, February 2nd. Hot topic du jour. W-2 box 14 amounts for overtime. And if your W-2 doesn't have overtime, and you know you worked overtime, check out your year-end pay stub. Your employer put the amount of overtime you earned on your year-end pay stub. So what do you do with this? In general, to determine the half of the time and a half you are allowed to deduct is take the amount of overtime you worked and divide it by 3. And that will give you the amount that you are eligible to deduct. So here's a for instance. On this W-2, which is fake, I totally made it up, box 14 has an amount here, $3,500. If I wanted to determine, is that the half of the time and a half I get to deduct, I would look at my year-end pay stub, and my year-end pay stub would show total overtime of $10,500. If my year-end pay stub says $10,500, and my box 14 amount says OT or similar, $3,500, I know that's the amount I get to deduct. So enter that in the software that you're using, whatever retail software you're using, and then there's a follow-on question that will say, how much can you deduct? You're probably going to have to manually calculate it, and your employer did it for you right here. $3,500 in box 14. Now, let's say you don't have any amount in box 14. That's okay. Use your pay stub. Again, most people take the year-end amount and divide by 3. Dividing by 3 gives you the half of the time and a half you're allowed to deduct. Double overtime, divide by 4, and that will give you the half that you are allowed to deduct. And this, of course, assumes that you are an hourly employee, meet the FLSA standards and all that other good stuff. So double check with your employer if you're not sure. So thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe to this channel. I really want to grow it. That's my goal. I appreciate you being here. Have a great tax season and watch for next week's Tuesday 2-minute tax tip. Take care. Bye-bye.